Dublin road of an autumn day, I saw her first and knew that her dark hair would weave a snare that I might one day move. I saw the danger, yet I walked along the enchanted way, and I said, let grief be a fall on me for the dawning of the day. On Grafton Street, in November, we tripped lightly along the ledge of the deep ravine where can be seen the worth of passion's pledge. The Queen of Hearts still making tarts, and sure I not making hay. Oh, I love too much, and by such is happiness thrown away.